Hello, my beautiful people. So for this week, we're going to do a full face tutorial and we're going to be using the Riviera Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This palette, the first time I saw it, it gave me this sailor vibe that I was just like, I am going to take a dive into that. Don't judge me. Anyways, we're also going to be using the Ofra highlighter, all of the highlighters, which I am super excited about because I just got it and I am, look at that. It makes me feel all dewy and shit, like, serve me on a platter, like. Okay, so yes, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know what to do, and let's just get to it. So let's get started, right? I do use the Makeup Forever foundation. It's a white 315, and I usually just do like a really good amount, all over. For this, I already primed my face. I usually use the Hangover RX Too Faced primer. It smells really nice, and then it like leaves my face, because I have really dry face, but it leaves my face like very refreshed. I really like that too. So just pat, 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 pat. Then for my primer, I use the Vibrancy Josie Maran primer. This is light. I do like my primers kind of light, so I like this. So just do like a little triangle here. That's the easiest way. A little bit in the nose, and then here, right here. T-zone, is that what that's called? Okay, so this is the thing. So for my contour, I put primer right in that area, and then with a smaller sponge, I just close it and bring it all the way to my ear. Well, not my ear, but like, all the way up. And then the same on this side. Just pat, pat, pat. So then it already left, the line right there. So then for the remainder of the face, just pat it, pat it, pat it. So then for my contouring, I usually apply this, like a stick or a cream contour. So that I'm using the Milk matte bronzer stick. So then this is the V area of the primer, and then the area I already did down here too. So then you can see this is the area that just has the foundation, right? So then we do the and you can see the hollow of your cheek right there. And I usually do that. I mean, of course, there's different ways to apply your contour, but I just follow. And then a little bit here, and then a little bit down here. I don't contour my nose because, again, I think my nose is crooked, and I just have this idea that it doesn't matter, I can make it look better. So that's just personal. But so then with the flat area, I just kind of follow it, and again, pat, 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 and blend it, right? That's the way I like to do it. And then blend again. I don't do my whole forehead, just kind of like the front. And then there you go. And then if you want, just, I use translucent powder, and it's the Veil Hourglass translucent powder. So then I just put it in the lid, grab a little bit, tap it, and then right under my eye. And then the remaining for the rest of the face. So again, and then the remaining. Yeah, so that's how I start my face, just like that. So then it's eyebrow time. I do use the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencils, and I do use both the Brow Wiz and the brow definer. So, right, I start off right at the beginning, and then you just make a straight line. There you go. Start from right here, like a quarter in, and follow my arch, and just close it. There you go. That's it. Then we just with the thicker one, I just fill them in, and again start a quarter into my eyebrow, and then just start kind of filling them in. To prime my eyes, I use the P. Louise base, which I love, 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 love. And you know, for a long time, I was like, "What's the hype with this?" Like, I just didn't know. And I don't know what is in this, if it's crack or something, but it's good. First, I'm not gonna lie. When I first watched it in the store, I wasn't sure that I wanted to get it because it has this like peachy undertone to it. It doesn't compromise your eyeshadows. That's what I'm trying to say. Like, it doesn't compromise the color of your eyeshadows. It does have that pink undertone when it's on your, like when I swatched it in my hand and stuff, but like peach. But it didn't, when I first used it for my eyeshadows, it did not compromise my eye makeup. So I was super happy about that. I was like, okay, okay. I just tap it with my finger so it doesn't crease or anything. So for eyeshadow, we're gonna use the Rivera Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. When I first got this palette, I was really excited because I don't have a lot of bright colors. I don't do the bright colors a lot, and this just kind of, I don't know. So we're gonna start with the color Palm, which is the brown, and we're just gonna do like right above your crease, just a thin line. Okay, and then get the color Cabana. This is a yellowish color, and then just on top, kind of blend, 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 blend. And then more product, just whatever's left, we're gonna bring it down to like a quarter of our waterline right here, just to do that like smoky look or whatever. And then we're gonna grab this blue right here, and then we're gonna just pat it like halfway, like just half of your eyelid right there, with my Huda Beauty Fender Bender brush, this area of the brush. I'm gonna grab the Mediterranean blue, which could be like it's a very glittery gray-ish. This is the reason I got this palette, I'm not gonna lie. Because of that color. Just bring it out a little bit. We're gonna get the cons. Oh my god, I don't know. Pronunciation and me are not like a thing. Which is like a purple. It's a purple. And just at the end right here, we're just gonna bring it up. And then we bring it up to the middle. All the way, like a halfway through. Right. And then I'm gonna grab my Pat McGrath Labs eyeliner. And just start right here and go. A straight line out, and then you bring it back in. There you go. This angled brush, and it's an e.l.f. brush, and I've had it forever, and I know I have had to put it together more than once. I've glued it together, and I will keep doing it because I like it. Yes, I can go buy another one, but I don't know. I like this one. So then we just put a little bit of gold. And now I'm with a ColourPop cream liner. in your lash line. I don't do the waterline usually because I know I've mentioned it a couple of times. My eyes water a lot. And then with a smudge brush, this brush, I've had it for so long, it doesn't even have a name. I don't even know whose brush it is. And then you just let it do what it does. There you go. One eye down, second one to go. So that's it with the eyes, and now we're gonna do our contouring, right? Now we're contouring and blush and all that. So I'm gonna be using the contour kit by Anastasia for my contouring, and this is the R36 for Morphe, and I am gonna use the color in the middle. This is the light to medium, and just on the same area, then just follow up. Make sure that this is the focus point for me, right here. See that? Everywhere where you put it the first time, that's where you reapply the powder. There you go. So that's for contouring, right? For blush, we're gonna use Tarte's Party blush. So then the easiest way to apply blush is, and then the apples of your cheeks, and then on circular motions, you just follow up. There you go. And then I do just like a light brush. That's it. That was the Zoeva Luxe Highlight 105 brush. Again, this is one of those e.l.f. brushes that I got a long time ago and I could never get rid of. And not only that, like I just cannot stop using. This is the small tapered brush, and this is what I use for highlighters. So now this is the moment of truth because I just got this. This is the Ofra All of the Highlighters highlighter. And I mean, just look at that. Oh my God. This is just Christmas for me. Let's see. Oh, oh my God. And the highlighter just goes contour, bronzer, blush, highlighter. That's just it. And then it's just a straight line up. But because I'm extra and I'm a highlighter person, I do this area right here also. Like, look at that. Other side. Oh. Again. Oh my God. And then the top of your nose. Your cupid's bow. And at the bottom. And then just like a light chin. So the light is like in the right places. Like, oh, no. The light isn't in all the places. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes. Look at this. Oh, just. This, you know what this reminds me of? I'm going to spend a lot of time on my highlighter because I love highlighters. Of like that ice cream that is like 3 flavors, but this is 4 and just so much yummier. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so for my lips, I use the NARS Bound, and this is a mini, and the OG Lolita lip liner.